How to add trust badges to your Shopify store for beginners. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add trust badges into your Shopify store. Now, what are trust badges? Where do they go? And what is the purpose? Trust badges are badges that are often given to a certain business via applications or other forms that elucidate a level of trust. This could be based upon product reviews, performance, quality of product, or any other type of trust badge. Usually, when we refer to trust badges, we refer to the authenticity of the website. So, trust badges can help the customer in choosing the right website for them. So, if a customer sees trust badges by a platform that they know about, they will be more inclined to purchasing your product because they know, hey, this product might look exactly as the product that is going to be delivered because they have this and this is trust badges. So, that is the primary purpose of trust badges. Now, moving on, let's move forward into how we can actually include trust badges on our site. So there are quite a few different applications out there. Certain applications specialize in trust badges, whereas other applications have trust badges as a secondary tool that you can include. I'll be showing you guys both types of applications. To get started, simply head on over into your Shopify dashboard. Once you're in your Shopify dashboard, you're going to click on Settings on the bottom left. And once you click on Settings on the bottom left, you are going to click on Apps and Sales Channels. Then you're going to open up the Shopify App Store. Once you open up the Shopify App Store, you can just search for Trust Badges, like so. Now, once you search for trust badges, there is this application called Trust Badges Bear. This is one really nice application I like to use. You also have applications like SEO Ant, as well as Essential Trust Badges and Icons. Now, you can use whichever one you prefer. Now, if you are using a separate application for this, you might say, hey, I don't want to use a separate application. Well, if you're using a platform like Judge Me, for example, Judge Me is a product review application, but Judge Me also has trust badges included. So you can actually add trust badges with their product review application as well. So this just depends on your personal preference and how you want to proceed with adding these badges. Now, I am going to be showing you guys how to do this with a simple platform like Essential Trust Badges. And Essential Trust Badges has a free plan, which allows you upwards of 5,000 monthly views, a huge icon library, unlimited product page payment icons, one product page banner or icon. Now, if you look at some of its competitors, such as Trust Badges Bear, which we all know and love, the best part about using Trust Badges Bear is that it's free. It's completely free. You will see that there are no plans on this. You can use it for free with all of the badges included. They have so many different elements, and that is why I really like to use the Trust Badges Bear application. You don't have to worry about payments. You don't have to worry about, payment plans and limitations of the app. Now, you also have platforms like SEO Ant. This is again a completely free application. This works with Spocket, Loox, Pagefly, and many other page builders as well. So if you are using another third-party page builder, you don't have to worry about its compatibility with your badges. So firstly, we're gonna use Trust Badges Bear, and I'm just gonna click on Trust Badges Bear, click on Install over here. And once I click on Install, a new page is going to open up. And in my new tab, I'm going to click on Install once more to complete the installation of my page, of my badges application in my pages. And once you have clicked on Install, you're just going to pin this to your navigation on the left. I like to just pin this to the navigation because it makes it easier for me to view the application. Now, once you have done that, it's time to enable this application into your Shopify store theme. To do this, just click on Enable over here, and this will be enabled. You can then just click on Test it in your store, but first you have to actually include the badges you want. So firstly, you have a header that you can add if you want to add show header, which says secure checkout, or let's say I want to write checkout with secure payment like this. And then after that, we can choose a different font for this as well. Let's say I want to use this one or I want to use this one. Then we have the alignment of the text and the font size as well. Then we have the text color. And after that, we have the badge style. If I want this to be monotonous, if I want this to be in the form of cards or just logos like this. This just depends on your personal preference on how you want to display these badges. After that, you're going to choose the size on desktop. So if you want them to be small, extra small, medium, or large. I want them to be extra small. And then after that, we have badge colors. Then you can also add animations for this. So you can choose the animation you prefer. I don't like to add animations. I feel like that makes it look a bit childish. So I'm going to select none. Then you have the bar placement. So you can choose where you want to place this, or you can just copy this code and you can place the code inside a template file. So you have your template file over here. This will open up the Shopify store like so. And like so, you can edit the store code and place this wherever you want. Now, this is a really simple code that you can actually use in the Shopify store builder. Now, I am displaying this directly on my product page, and I'm going to click on select badges, and I can customize to the badges that I want to display. You will see that there is a wide array of badges available, so you can really select whichever badge you prefer. If you don't want payment-based badges, let's say I want to add trust badges that are different, I can actually scroll down and you will see other types of badges that are not related to third-party payment providers, such as 100% satisfaction guarantee, as well as 30-day money-back guarantee, 100% quality guarantees as well. So I can include these badges. Let's say I want to add 24/7 customer support, 1 to 2 week delivery, free shipping, and let's say I also want to add, these types of sureties. Let's say I have SSL secure, so I have all of these 8 badges, and I'm going to click on done. And now, because these are not related to payment, I'm going to change the header, and I'm just going to remove the header completely for this type. And I'm just going to scroll down and choose a larger size for the badges, such as this one. Now, once I've done that, I can click on save, and I'm also going to copy this code. And now if I view my online store like so, I can take a look at the product, and you will see these trust badges are going to be placed right under the Buy It Now button. Now, if I want to include these elsewhere, I can go into Online Store on the top left, click on Customize over here. Once you click on Customize, you can click on Add section, and you have your custom liquid that you can include. Once you go into Custom Liquid, you can paste in your liquid code like so. And once you paste in your liquid code, you're just going to click on Save over here to display your trust badges anywhere within Shopify. If I want to place these right under the image banner, I'm just going to drag and drop the badges custom liquid under the image banner from the left. And now it's just going to load up the icons and they will be displayed on my homepage as well. Click on save on the top right to save your changes, and that is all you have to do to add trust badges to any page on your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.